Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have on a black little dress. I actually just got it in the mail, so I still have a tag on it. I'm deciding whether to keep it or not. I'll let you guys vote. Should I keep it or should I return it? How does it look? Do you guys like it? It's quite short. Some of you have been asking for shorter dresses. I don't really have that many short dresses, so I got this. I like black because I can put a little jacket over it, dress it up a little bit, and so I don't know. Don't come at me or for me because it's not ironed. I just got it. It's been in the mail in the transit, so I didn't even do anything to it. I'm just trying it out for you guys. As always, thank you guys for my new subscribers. Thank you. Welcome back to the channel, and I hope you guys stick around. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment, thumbs up. Also, thank you for my existing oldies but goodies for sticking through this with me. I appreciate you guys. Do check out my other channels that I have. I'm trying to get my TikTok up so I can monetize that over there. So if you guys want to take a look over there and subscribe as well. And any of my other channels for some stuff that's not appropriate for here. I'll appreciate that. You guys that have subscribed to the members only, I haven't uploaded too much stuff into it, but I am working on it. So please be patient. I'm sorry. I'll make it up to you. I'm not sure how much I can, it's allowed on that platform. So that's why I haven't really uploaded much. Most of my stuff they censor. They think it's too revealing. So, yeah, so I do actually like the dress. It's very comfortable. I don't have a brassiere on right now, but if I was to wear it out, I would wear one. Yeah, it's got a little liner, and this is see-through. See, like a widow. It's very cute. I wouldn't be bending over too much, but it's very nice. It's very nice for a little going out at night. Yeah, so you guys tell me, do you like it? Should I keep it? This is the second video, by the way, that I thought I was recording, and it wasn't recording. I was just over here talking to myself for like 8 minutes. So, it's part of getting old. Yeah, so today, hello to everybody around the world. Germany, Russia, Croatia, Egypt, Brazil, Spain, France, England, Scotland. I know I'm forgetting some. I tip of my tongue, but I appreciate all of you guys. I believe it's like daytime over there right now. It's Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 8:11 p.m.
Yes, it's 8 o'clock over here. I have a lot of Alexas in my house. I think I have 14 of them. I have, my house is a little bit big. I use them, I have them all connected, and I use them as in surround sound. So when I play music, I like music extremely loud. And I like all kinds of music. But yeah, I have them all hooked up, so when I'm cleaning and stuff, I have the music on throughout all of the systems. So I have 14 of them, I believe. I'm always adding to it. I'm just a fanatic when it comes to electronics. Yeah, but I can't play music here because of the copywriting. Although like TikTok does let me, like the last video that I put up, the banana one, I'm not sure if it's on TikTok actually, but I had music in the background. I stop and I dance. I love cumbias and salsa, merengue and country and hip hop and oldies but goodies. I love Portuguese music. I just love any kind of music that's happy and fun to dance, and bachata, norteñas. I like everything. I'm very, 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 very into music. So I wish that I could play music here so I can dance and stuff and entertain you, but they won't let me. So I have to obey the rules. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being part of my YouTube family. I do appreciate you guys, and I hope that you guys stick around with me during this journey. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and share the videos, comment, thumbs up. Make sure that your notifications are on for when I upload. I do upload at least twice a week. I'm sorry, twice a day, because I want to bore you to death. And I'll be uploading something else in a little while. Gotta make something for you because I didn't do the coffee one in the morning. I'll put something up. Yeah, so I'll see you in a little while. Thank you so much for showing up every day for me. And let me know in the comments, should I keep the dress or should I return it? Let me know. Oh, and for the one person that asked me, can I take my shoes off and walk around barefoot? Just for you. I am walking around barefoot. I walk around barefoot a lot on this floor, but it's an epoxy floor, so it means that it's an overlay over the concrete, and it's a killer on the feet. But I do like to walk barefoot. I like to feel the cold of the ground going up my butt today. Touch my body. I like it. So, yeah, so like my shoes. They're also Christian Siriano. I have worn them before. I love stilettos, and black stiletto can go with anything. So they're pretty new. I don't really go out that much. Still have the price tag on. Yeah, how do you guys like my hair? My makeup. Yeah, so I'm doing a lot of shoots today. I got a lot of stuff. So I'm doing some shoots for the other sites if y'all want to take a look. Like I said, my subscribers, I'm sorry that I have not uploaded stuff. I am still looking to see what I can put up there without getting censored. I'll make it up to you. Alright guys, I will be answering your comments later on tonight. Thank you for hanging around. I love you guys. See you on the next video.